Hello, it's Monika and welcome to very special blog hop and giveaway. Here you can see all the rules, which is literally super simple. You have to watch all the videos taking part in the blog hop, comment and subscribe to each of the channels. In my video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful rainbow floral pop-up card using stunning design papers by Ella. And also in the description down below, I left all the links to the videos and also the link to those beautiful papers. So if you have never used them or seen them, it is your chance. As you can see, there is a variety of beautiful backgrounds, labels, sentiments, and these are perfect for so many amazing occasions. You can stamp your own sentiments here, and also you have amazing and so colorful leaves and flowers you can fussy cut, and that's exactly what I did for today's card. First, I'm going to start with two background panels, and I'm going to create a square and also a longer panel which will go inside our card. I've got 6 by 6 inches card base, and it is time to start assembling the front of a card. And I'm using my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, because it is the best adhesive for any paper crafting. Now we're going to create a pop-up element, which means first I'm going to fold my panel in half, but as you can see, I'm not really folding in the middle. So now I've got my cutting mat, and yes, I'm going to use a craft knife, and this is so simple to make. So if you have never ever used or created a pop-up card, I really hope this video will inspire you to create one, because it is super simple, beautiful and unique. As you can see, using a craft knife, I'm creating 2 lines, and I'm going to create actually 3 of those. So I've got variety of length inside, and that will be so special and unique. Now we have to fold them and burnish, and literally our pop-up element is ready. Now we have to fold the whole card, and it is time to adhere it inside our card. And whenever you do it, you have to skip those elements that we just created, because if you put any glue on it, it will be adhered to the base and they actually won't move when you open the card. And again, I'm using my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, because as I said before, it is the perfect glue for any paper craft projects. So your pop-up element is ready. Now it is time to decorate your beautiful rainbow card. And to do it, I decided to use a heart cutting die, and if you don't have this one from Tonic Studio, you can create your own template, and I really encourage you to do it. Using that beautiful cutting die, I'm going to use these beautiful papers from the collection, and the link is in the description down below with the papers if you haven't seen them or used them before. So please check them out, because Ella is such an amazing designer. Now when I die cut this element, now it is ready, we can start decorating it. And to do it first, I'm going to create actually a heart opening at the top, and this way when I put that beautiful rainbow heart on top, I'll have beautiful background with no white showing through. And that's exactly what I wanted to do. And to be honest, when you open that heart, you can write a secret message, because when you open the whole card, you have that pop-up element, so there is not really much space to write your message. So I thought, yes, you can open the front heart, and yes, you can write your message there. As you can see, I fussy cut all those beautiful flowers and labels, and I absolutely love all of them, and you can use them for a variety of projects. Now I'm going to fold all the petals. As you can see, this is super simple and quick and perfect, because we do have extra dimension on all the petals. As you can see, on the right hand side, I folded all the petals using my fingers, and on the left, I still have some extra flowers, which I'm going to use later on. And also, as you can see, in the top left corner, I've got the sentiment I'm going to use for today's card, and also at the bottom here. And I'm going to adhere them later on. To adhere all the flowers, I'm actually putting a drop of liquid glue in the middle on the back of the flower. As simple as it is. I absolutely love all the rainbow colors here and all the gradients. They are just so beautiful, cheerful, and perfect for any spring card. Now I'm going to use double-sided foam adhesive and I'm going to use 2 layers of them. And this way my sentiment will stand out even more. If you don't do it in your card making, I really encourage you to do it. It doesn't take that long, but it really makes a difference. Now I decided to add a few more flowers at the front of my card, and again I'm literally putting a drop of liquid glue on the back, and the front is nearly done. But we do have to add some pearls. I haven't used pearls in a very long time. I usually add gems, so this time it is time for pearls. Our front is ready, and now it is time to decorate the inside of our pop-up card. And yes, I'm going to use some of the flowers that I've got on the left hand side. As you can see, this card is just super simple to make, so I really encourage you to try it. And don't forget that when you watch all the videos taking part in the blog hop, subscribe to each of the channels and comment under each video, you will take part in a really amazing giveaway, and the winner will be announced on Drop of Sunshine Art YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that because the prize is really amazing. And also there is one more prize on Instagram, and I left the link there in the description, so please check it out because we can have 2 winners, and that's absolutely amazing. As you can see, I'm putting some flowers inside the card. I'm actually closing it just to make sure that the mechanism works, and yes, I'm going to add that sentiment inside as well. And what I really like about Ella's collection, first of all, it is so beautiful. It is very cheerful, perfect for any spring card, spring actually summer, and it is amazing for literally any occasion. I absolutely love it. And yes, I had to add a few more pearls inside the card. I literally just couldn't resist. And our card is finished. And please let me know, what do you think about this? I really hope this video will inspire you to create your own version of pop-up card. Here you can also check the giveaway rules again, and I really hope you have absolutely amazing day, and don't forget to watch all the other videos and comment to take part in the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!